Hey guys, Miguel with XYZ. On this video, we're going to talk about what to expect when you open an insurance claim. The first step would be get your roof inspected by a roof expert. Why? Because the roof expert needs to identify what type of damage do you have. And for you to open an insurance claim, it needs to be weather related. Now, the second thing, it will be opening your insurance claim. So calling your insurance carrier. When you call your insurance carrier, make sure that is the carrier, not your agent. Normally it's a 1-800 number. The other step would be the adjuster meeting. This is super important for you to let your roof expert know at what time and date the adjuster is going to go, because it's the meeting where we are able to show him what we saw on the inspection, and we can point out all the damage that we think that your roof has. The other one is going to be the result of the adjuster meeting. On that result of the adjuster meeting, it could be three types. One, it could be a deny, that the adjuster thinks that it's not weather related, the damage. Two, is going to be paid only for repairs or under your deductible. And the third one is that they approve the full replacement of your roof. If you get the denied or underpaid, you can ask as a homeowner for a second inspection with a different adjuster. And if you ask for that second inspection, we, your roof experts, we need to go again and show the new adjuster the damage that we saw on the first inspection. Now, if we get your roof approved, the last step would be the construction contract. And that's the one where you're gonna be able to choose your upgrades, the type of shingles, and all the way how we replace your roof.